When is the best time to get a lawyer for my car accident?
Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me for another one of our frequently asked questions. I'm Jim Adler, the Texas Hammer. Today we are going to talk about the best time to call a personal injury lawyer if you've been injured in a car accident.
It can be overwhelming after a car accident, especially if you have suffered serious personal injuries and lost time from work. For some victims, the last thing on their minds is hiring a lawyer. They are just trying to survive and move forward. But often, this is the best time to get a Texas car accident lawyer, especially if the insurance carrier has already called you and offered you money. This is why the best time to get a car accident lawyer is immediately after a crash. Some of the reasons why this is the best time to obtain legal representation are because you need to file a claim with insurance quickly. Insurance policies require a claim to be filed as soon as possible after a car accident, sometimes just weeks from the accident. As soon as you file this claim, the adjuster will begin to use the information you submit against you. Always have a lawyer to protect your rights to compensation and to prevent the insurance adjuster from taking advantage of your rights. Obtaining black box information in commercial vehicle accidents. Commercial vehicles have black boxes, like airplanes, called electronic control modules, ECMs. These ECMs monitor a truck and save essential data about the speed, direction, and driver's actions. Although the information is digitally protected, it is susceptible to being altered or accidentally deleted. If you were injured in a big rig, semi-tractor trailer, or other trekking accident, you need to quickly obtain legal representation to collect ECM data before the defendant can collect, alter, or delete the data. This often needs to happen as soon as the police release the vehicle from an investigation, sometimes just days after a crash. Gather witness information and statements. Witnesses to your crash are necessary to help prove your case, especially if the defendant is blaming you for the crash. Obtaining witness information and collecting statements before a witness moves away or simply forgets what they saw is imperative to protecting your rights under the law. Collecting surveillance evidence or camera footage. Not only do most businesses have surveillance cameras, but many big brands have made affordable home surveillance cameras and recording equipment, doorbells, and other devices. Sometimes these cameras record an accident that can be helpful to prove the crash and your injuries. However, many of these cameras run on loops and record over themselves or auto-delete videos, sometimes in as little as 7 days. It is imperative that your Texas car accident lawyer quickly obtain this footage before it is lost forever. Still unsure? Jim Adler and Associates can help. Whether you think it may be too early or too late, you can ask Jim Adler and Associates for a free consultation to learn what your legal rights to compensation may be under Texas law. We are here to help you and your family.
If you have questions about your case, you can reach us through our website at jimadler.com or call us at 1-800-567-7575. Thank you very much.